everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Babe. Some of you may also know me from my other channel, The Cooking Cop and Babe. This channel is just gonna be me with Josh as my taste tester. I am going to make sandwiches upon sandwiches upon sandwiches. I'm gonna take your everyday basic sandwich and make it magic by adding just a few extra ingredients that most of you will have in your refrigerator. And then some days, like today, I'm gonna make one that's a little bit more difficult, but has tons of flavor. So either way you look at it, whatever I'm making is gonna be packed full of flavor. So come along with me, let me show you what I'm doing here today, and let's have some fun. In following tradition, I will not be traditional today, because that's what I like to do. I like to put my own creative spin on things that other people have come up with. Unless I come up with it myself, and then it's just really usually pretty wacky and out there. But today I'm gonna take a Monte Cristo sandwich, or the idea of the Monte Cristo sandwich, and I'm going to make it Babe's way. So we have our traditional turkey, ham, jelly, powdered sugar. Usually they'll use Swiss cheese. I have white cheddar, I'm gonna use that. I'm using a croissant because I think it'll be kind of fun. And then I'm not going to deep fry it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna batter it in the eggs and I'm gonna fry it in the pan. But in that egg mixture, I'm gonna use a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and some allspice. It's gonna be like the sweetest savory sandwich you ever had. So let's get ready and see what happens. First thing I'm gonna do is crack my eggs. I wanna get those into my bowl. Now let me tell you, I had 4 eggs. And what happens when I walked around the corner? One fell off and broke. Why wouldn't it? That's what I get for being careless. Okay, next up, we're gonna add our little spices. You don't want a whole lot of this. I'm not trying to overwhelm this and make it like French toast, but I sort of am. So I'm just gonna put a little splash of each in there, okay? A little cinnamon, a little nutmeg, a little allspice. Allspice is very strong. We're gonna whisk this all together. So when I'm doing eggs in the morning, I like to add milk. And some people agree, some people don't. But when I'm doing French toast, I usually use creamer for my French toast. I think if you go over to the Cooking Cop and Babe, you can see my French toast, which is really yummy. So I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit of milk in here, maybe a tablespoon. Get that mixed up, and then next, we're gonna put our croissants on the griddle. I also wanna share with you guys that every sandwich video that you watch is most likely gonna be an experiment that I'm doing while I'm making this video. I just come up with ideas and then I don't try them first. I just get on video and make it. It usually turns out, because you can't really go wrong with a sandwich unless you burn it or put together horrid, terrible flavors. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So if you have any sandwiches that you want me to take and try and make it into something fun and add a little more flavor to it, just let me know. Leave a comment below or shoot me an email or whatever, and I'm happy to do it because I love it. What I think I'm gonna do is make the egg mixture first before I heat it up, okay? That's what I'm gonna do. That's my plan. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. I'm thoroughly soaking the croissant in the egg mixture. I've never in my life put a croissant in an egg mixture, but I bet it's gonna be good. Okay, so I've got it really soaked. As you can see, let's lay it down. Oh yeah. I bet this is gonna work, and I bet it's gonna become a new thing. That's my thought. Who knows? Maybe you're all thinking this lady's crazy and what the heck is she doing? So you want to get it really soaked in there. Okay. Okay, okay, good. Nice and soaked. Let's lay it down. You hear that? That's the sound of magic happening. Okay, so these have been going about a minute right now. I'm gonna cut up my cheese and my turkey, and once they're done on the inside, I'm gonna flip them over and I'm gonna put my turkey, my ham, and my cheese in it, and then we're gonna cook it like a grilled cheese. Okay, that's looking perfect. I've got a little crisp on the egg. Now we're gonna add our middle ingredients. We're gonna layer down our ham first. We're gonna put a nice big chunk of turkey on there. Next up will be our cheddar. Let's put 2 pieces just for fun. All right, we're gonna lay the top right on top there. Ooh, yeah, baby. And then we are gonna cook this just like a normal old grilled cheese. So here's what we're working with right now. I've turned it down to low because I don't wanna burn it, like medium low. We want that cheese and that meat to get nice and hot and nice and melty. So that's probably gonna take a few minutes. Dad. Okay, here's what I ended up with. And who doesn't like a little bit of char anyways, you know? What are you gonna do? We've got that turkey, that cheese, that ham. Now we have to add the finishing touches, the jelly and the powdered sugar. So traditionally, the way that a Monte Cristo is going to come, it's gonna have your jelly of whatever flavor you like. I think they use a lot of blackberry. You have your sandwich with that egg batter. Like I said, I did a little bit of seasoning. I did cinnamon, I did nutmeg, and I did allspice. I've got turkey, ham, and American white cheddar. I'm gonna finish it off with my personal favorite, some powdered sugar. And you can go pretty heavy on it. Put a little in there, and voila! Here we have a Monte Cristo sandwich, Babe's Way, on a croissant, sort of a French toasty batter on the outside. Let's give it a try. I'm all done. It looks delicious. I'm ready to try it. Let's see if this tastes anything like I remember as a kid growing up going to Disneyland. Okay, here we are. Put a little jelly on it here. Oh, I'm so excited. That's really good. Exactly what I remember. It's got that sweet, it's got that savory, a little crunch. The croissant, I think actually made it. I might need to call Disneyland and tell them to make a change. It's not really burnt. I think it was really just all of the spices that I put in it. Kind of made it a little darker, but it's not bad. You guys, try this. It really wasn't that hard. It's packed with flavor. Wow. The next time you want a grilled sandwich, try this. Unless you don't like sweet and savory and you're just a boring sandwich eater, that's okay too. Thanks, you guys. I love this. Like I said, if you have anything you want me to make, if you have anything that you want me to zhuzh up, leave me a comment below. like this video, watch my other videos, please. Subscribe to me, ring that bell. And I really, really appreciate you guys coming on this journey with me. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one. I'll see you next time.